Do you know your floor might look clean, but still hold hidden dust, stains, and germs? Today, I'll show you simple and smart tricks to make your floors shine without spending too much time or money. Welcome back. In this video, we're talking about easy floor cleaning tricks that actually work. Whether you have tiles, wood, or marble floors, these methods will keep your home fresh, clean, and hygienic. The best part? You don't need expensive products, just a few simple tools. Practical suggestions. 1. Use microfiber mops instead of regular cloths. They pick up more dust and don't push dirt around. A basic microfiber mop costs about $10, while disposable wipes can cost much more in the long run. 2. For stubborn stains, mix warm water with a few drops of dish soap. Instead of buying costly cleaners, this simple mix works wonders. All you need is a bucket, warm water, and regular dish soap. 3. Try vinegar and water for natural cleaning. A half cup of vinegar in a gallon of water is enough to clean tiles and vinyl. A bottle of vinegar costs less than $3, compared to chemical cleaners that may cost $8 to $12. Explain the tools in a practical way. Bucket and mop for everyday cleaning. Microfiber cloth to dry floors quickly and avoid water marks. Scrub brush for corners and grout lines where mops can't reach. Quick tips: always sweep or vacuum before mopping to avoid muddy floors. Use 2 buckets, one for clean water, one for dirty water for better results. Don't over-wet wooden floors. A damp mop is enough to prevent damage. Cost comparison for clarity. Using homemade solutions like vinegar and dish soap costs just a few cents per cleaning. In contrast, buying branded cleaners every month can cost up to $15. Over time, the savings really add up. So, keeping your floors spotless doesn't have to be hard or expensive. Try these tricks today and enjoy a cleaner, fresher home. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. More smart home tips are coming your way.